Bigger pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine.
We know that that carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis and all. Okay, take a beaker like this. Okay, invert it. You light a candle. Okay, keep it under that, okay, tumbler or the glass. Now observe, after few minutes, okay, the lighting candle will be shutting off. How did it happen? It should glow, right? Okay, first question. Next, take some rat and all, okay, or some, if you take a rat, put it under the inverted beaker. Okay, after few minutes it will feel suffocated, and if you keep it long it may die. So why is this happening? That means something over there is being utilized and something is required for the candle to glow and a rat to live. What is that? So people started conducting experiments. Then they started keeping a plant, a mint plant, under the same beaker. Now they started lighting the candle. This time the candle did not turn off. Why? That means this green plant is producing something over there. What is that? And here also, when the same thing is repeated by keeping a rat under the same beaker, okay, inverter beaker, keeping a plant inside that, then also the rat did not feel suffocated. Okay, so ఏం అవుతుందండి అంటే green plants will be producing the gas called oxygen. Okay, and what do they absorb? They absorb carbon dioxide. Okay, so green plants ఏవి ఎప్పుడు కానీ కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్ని తీసుకుంటాయండి. అంటే in order to form glucose and all, they require carbon dioxide. That means from the atmosphere they start taking the carbon dioxide, and after the reaction and all, they will be giving back the oxygen. So that oxygen is necessary for the combustion. అంటే ఒక దీపం వెలగాలి అంటే ఆక్సిజన్ ఉండాలండి, లేకపోతే అది బర్న్ అవ్వదు. నెక్స్ట్, మనము ఎనీ యానిమల్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ నీడ్ టు లీవ్ అలైవ్, సో ఇట్ రిక్వైర్స్ ఆక్సిజన్. సో దిస్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ప్రూవ్స్ దట్ ది గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్ విల్ బి ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ ఆక్సిజన్ and they will be absorbing carbon dioxide, and that oxygen is necessary for combustion and for the liveliness of the animals. Let's see one more experiment to see that is carbon dioxide is really necessary for the photosynthesis and all. Okay, take a potted plant. That means we need not to take any leaf or detach a leaf. Take a potted plant, okay, keep it in the shade, okay, for 2-3 days. So we require the leaf which is not having any starch. Okay, ఒక పాటెడ్ ప్లాంట్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని షేడ్లో పెట్టండి ఒక 3 to 4 days. ఏమవుతుందండి? సో దాంట్లో ఫోటోసింథసిస్ యాక్టివిటీ అనేది జరగదు కాబట్టి ఉన్న స్టార్చ్ అంతా కూడా ప్లాంట్ యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది. సో ద స్టార్చ్ present in the leaves will be reduced. Next, take one healthy leaf, okay, and before that arrange a bottle with potassium hydroxide. Okay, potassium hydroxide తో సొల్యూషన్ తో దాన్ని నింపండి, లేకపోతే you take the pellets also, potassium hydroxide pellets. Okay, fill the bottle with potassium hydroxide. Next, you split a cork and insert half of the leaf inside the bottle. So ఇప్పుడు ఇలా half ఉంది కదండి, half you insert inside the bottle, other half need to be outside the bottle. Now after few hours, what happens? You put the same like arrangement under bright sun. So what is happening? Whatever the carbon dioxide present, the potassium hydroxide will be absorbing all that carbon dioxide. So when you keep the plant in the bright sunlight for more than 3-4 hours, then bring it back. Remove this bottle. Now put some iodine solution on that. So the half part which is immersed in that potassium hydroxide bottle will not turn into blue. Not turns blue. And the other half turns bluish black. That means that carbon dioxide is necessary to carry out photosynthesis. From this moles half-leaf experiment, we can identify that carbon dioxide is a necessary component for the photosynthesis.
To learn with Vguru, join us, download our app in Play Store. Have a happy learning.